Hiking Florida's forest. This is the path I'm going back. Very well marked. This is Ralph E. Simmons hiking trail. So we're going to keep going here. Coming back out towards the trailhead. Hiking is my new favorite pastime. At this point I'm about, I want to say 2¼ miles heading back. If you do go hiking, if you're a beginner, stay on the shorter trails. The trail walker program for state of Florida forest, if you go to the website and click on the trail walker program, this trail is very well marked. Click on the trail walker program and start with the forest close by. What you need to have, I found in these forests, no matter what the distance, make sure you have water. Make sure you have your cell phone. I always wear a hat and sturdy shoes. Under 5 miles, I'm wearing my Hokas. Those are the ones that got me through my marathon. And also, very important, I have hiking shorts on that are dry fit for whisking the sweat away because it's summer here in Florida, along with bug spray. Invest the money in bug spray. Now, as a Young Living distributor, I normally don't say to get stuff with DEET in it, but since I've been in these forests, I definitely recommend it. Spray it before you even go into the forest, or else these mosquitoes will pick you up and take you away. So get out there, enjoy this beautiful world we live in. Start with a short hike, say 1 to 2 miles, which is what I did. I'm dealing with a hip issue, so I keep it short while I'm building up my endurance. And get out there and enjoy this beautiful world. And every forest is different. This is Denise, DeniseSanger.com. Talk to you later.